ARS Pharmaceuticals stock, is it a buy or is it not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. ARS Pharmaceuticals is cooking. It is 14% down on Friday, but why did I say it's cooking? Because it's inside, technically in a demand zone. So if I zoom out, let me come here. I just like the attitude here because it's slowly creeping up inside of demand, and there is nothing wrong with pulling the trigger on towards the upside. More so, like what I would like to see is like a lower time frame shift, because this is a beautiful tap that we're having, and without the price actually giving me this shift, me buying is not going to be an option. And that's totally fair and nice for me. You know, me randomly buying is just, I mean, I've made that mistake before, let's put it that way. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye. Mainly, I mean, I'm curious to see if I have anything SPRY related here. Not necessarily, and that's fair. See you in the next one.